Hi, in this video, we will discuss the dictionaries are very important data structure in Python. So it will take 5 minutes and we will be able to understand how dictionaries work in Python. So dictionaries are actually data structures that store key value pairs. So like the one we can see in JSON. Keys can be anything like string, int, tuple, etc. And they have to be unique and hashable. So for the values can be anything, and it's a very common way to like name keys with strings, and value can be anything. So how to create a dictionary? We have an example right here. So what we have is curly brackets, braces, and in these curly braces we have a key name with inverted commas, and then we have a colon, and for that key we have a value that's here, and again we have a key age, and for that we have a colon and a value here. So very important interview question is generally asked. So what is the difference between list and a dictionary? So you can say that ordered, it's a collection item that's mutable for the list, and for the dictionary it's a key value pair, and it's a very important data structure for looking up fast, it's used for fast lookup and create key value pair elements. So here is a proper example with the student like name, age, and is active. These are actually keys, and we have their corresponding values. So it's written a bit differently, and they're separated by commas. Most importantly, and they're written bit differently in each line. So we can also do that to make it more readable. And then we did, we printed it, and next line we actually print the type of that variable. So we can see that the way it's written, it's exactly prints like that. And we can see the class here, and the type here is class dictionary. So how we can access values, like how we can change, update, or access values. So again, we have a dictionary in which we have a name, age, and what we have here is like we are trying to print name. So what we did, we write the name of the dictionary, and in square brackets we wrote the key, and as a result we will see the value of that key. Next we have age. We are going to update that age. So currently we have 20. How we can update it? We could write the name of dictionary and write the key which we want to update. Here we wanted to update the age. That's 21 now. And now we print it. We can see the updated age here right now. So here we can see the age has been updated to 21. Next we have next actually we can see that there is no city key available in the student, and this is the way we can add a new key value to current dictionary. So what you did, we wrote student city, this is a new key, and we wrote the name in it. And once we print it, we can clearly see that a new key value pair has been added, and that's a way we can add more key value pairs in a dictionary that's already been created. So there is a way to save accesses. Okay, something that's not available. So we can see that the name is something that's available, and how we do it, instead of directly accessing it with square brackets and writing the name of the key, we can ask to get it, like dictionary and get function, and the key that we want the value of. uh, if we get the key, we can like print or get the value, and if it's not available, we can print some default statement like not available. Okay, the common dictionary elements, like common dictionary methods, are keys, values, and items. So we have, if we like only take keys and then convert it into list, we can clearly see that we have only list of all the keys in the dictionary. We have also a function for values, which response can be converted to list, and we can see all the list of values in that particular dictionary. Finally, items, what it does, it returns the complete dictionary as a list of tuples. So each key value pair is like placed as tuple in a list, and this can be easily be iterated using for loop, the for in loop. Oh, okay. Here is a complex example. Here we have nested dictionaries and more realistic and real world example. So in this example, we have main three keys and their values, and we have nested key value pairs as well. So we can see that we have first key, that is username, and that's separated by another key, that's profile, which contains another dictionary. So the value for profile is another dictionary containing full name and email as the key value pair in it. And finally we have a status, and status is also a key for user, and inside the status value we have another dictionary, and that dictionary contains some values. So how we can print it? We can use like username. This will exactly print this. And if we try to print username and profile, it will print this. But if we want anything specific from it, for example like full name, we have to further specify that in this dictionary we want full name, otherwise we will display this complete dictionary in it. Same goes for stats. You can like specify which we want with post or forward, and that's how we can print it here right now. So that's it for the video for practice example for sets, list, dictionary, and tuples. We will have a next video. Thank you for watching. See you then.